Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to make a group on Instagram, and now let's dive right in. Now to make a group on Instagram, first open up your Instagram app. And before we proceed guys, do make sure to subscribe to my channel because it gives me a lot of support and motivation, and thanks for that. And on this interface guys, at the top right corner of the screen you can see your messenger icon. Tap on that messenger icon, and over here again at the top right corner of the screen guys, you can see with the pen with the paper icon at the top right. Tap on it and you will be able to see the create group chat option available for us. Tap on that create group chat and add as many people you want to add, and after adding your people, tap on the create group chat and you can see guys your group chat has been created, or your group has been created on Instagram. And there guys, this is how to make a group on Instagram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys, peace. And also guys, you can rename this group at the top of the screen. Type in the name of that group, any group, and after that it will be saved. And you can see guys, the title has been changed, and this is how you will be able to create a group on Instagram. And then guys, this is how to create a group on Instagram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys, peace.